Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Ayan, another video, another panty haul of course. So for today's video, I have a very viral one. Pink, okay? So pink, and then I have this, the green. Light green siya guys, okay? So unahin muna natin ang pink, okay? Because pink is really sweet color. Ayan, so ganito siya guys. Look at this. Ayan, may ganyan siya guys. I really like it. Yung kanyang design is very very nice guys. Ganyan. Ganito ang kanyang harap guys. Okay, so ganyan siya. Ayan. And then, ganyan. So, if you want to see me, ayan. Ganyan siya guys. Very cute. Very nice of course. And then, siya. Then, sa malapitan ganyan siya. And then, ito yung kanyang loob guys. I really like it. I want to show you guys. Ganyan. Ayan. Ganyan sa kanyang loob. It's very cute also. Ayan. This is worth like more than $1 guys. 80 pesos. Okay? So, ganyan siya guys. More than $1. It's good quality also siya guys. Okay? So, ganito siya sa likod. So, itong isa naman, of course guys, this one is okay also. Okay? Yan, ganyan siya. Ganyan, same sila ng price guys. Ganyan. And then, good quality talaga siya guys. Yan o. So, green. It's partner also in my clothes. Ayan. Ganyan siya guys. Okay. Sa loob is ganyan siya. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like, and share. Of course, comment guys. I will read your comment and tell me which one is better. This one or the pink one. Okay. I will read all comments. Okay, ganyan siya sa loob. And then, ganyan siya. I like it guys. The color is very sweet also. Yan sa likod. Okay, I'm so excited to wear na ito. I'm so excited to wear this now. Okay, let's go. And choose which one do you like. Okay, let's go. So guys, ayan, this is the pink one. Ayan, very sexy. Ganyanin ko lang. Nag-change ako ng tops. This is the very sexy one guys, Hanawa. Ganyan siya sa gilid. Ayan, this is, I will show you guys. Ganyan siya guys. It's really nice. Ayan, maganda talaga siya. And then, ganyan siya sa harap. Ayan. So, ayan guys, ganyan siya sa likod. Ayan. I like it guys. Ayan. It's very nice. Maganda talaga yung kanyang tops guys. Wow. I like it. Ayan. Ganyan siya. And then wow. Pak ganun. Ayan. I like also the quality guys. Ito yung kanyang dito guys. Is very nice. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Ganyan siya guys dito. I really like it. Ayan, ganyan din siya guys sa kabila. Ayan, ganyan siya. I like it guys dito. Yung kanyang linings. It's nice. Ayan. Tignan naman natin ang isa guys. Kasi maganda rin yun. So, that is the very now. Ito yung maganda talaga. Kasi, diba? So, natin ang isa guys. So guys, this is the green one. Ayan, maganda naman yung green guys. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Sorry for my belly. Ayan, ganyan dito sa gilid. Maganda siya guys. I like it. Ayan. So, dito sa kabila is ganyan siya guys. I really like it. Ganyan. Nagpalit ako ng damit kanina kasi akala ko mas maganda yon. But this one is better yung tops pala. Mas maganda yung tops na to. Ayan. Maganda yung kulay. I like also the quality. Ganda siya. I like it. So, ganyan siya sa likod. Wow. I like it, baby. Maganda siya, guys. Choose one. Which one is better, okay? or kung gusto niyo dalawa maganda, okay, comment below, share, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.